So I've got 33 degrees in the room because I got back from being away a couple days. And I'm going to try to use the higher to cool it down. It's alright, so this is turbo quiet button. That's normal setting. Turbo. Quiet. And now it's nice and quiet. Then I'm going to take the Eco button and take it to L1, which is the energy saving, the maximum energy saving setting. So it's really running it like at the lowest power right now. And we'll see how long it takes to take it from 33 to around 30. So it's already come down quite a bit.